Hi there! Today I'll show you how to assemble this fun Valentine's Day box card. If you've already cut out your pieces, you're ready to go. Plus, don't forget, the included PDF menu has this handy diagram showing where the pieces go on the inserts.
Which is pretty straightforward, just this first one and the second one. And I went ahead and glued the flames and the words on there. And then we've got the matches. And as you can see in the PDF, the matches are these two pieces. And I glued the little match heads onto all of those. And then I glued the narrower one just at the bottom here. I glued them together. And then again, just at the bottom, I glued them to this matchbook. And as a cute touch, I think it's cool if you just carefully put a staple right in the bottom there and then fold it away behind. Then for the body of the box card, I went ahead and glued my little hearts and panels on these flaps, as well as these panels on the back. You can write or stamp on that white part if you want. And then on the inside, we've got 3 hearts and the word you, which is actually, there's a separate pink piece here just to reinforce it, which has the letters and the hearts glued onto it. And then it's glued onto this body of the box card. So the next thing we can do is put some glue on this tab and close it up. And make sure that it's going to fold flat. And then we can go ahead and put our cute little matchbook on the front, which I did by putting glue all over the back of it, and then just a line of glue along the bottom. Or if you wanted to make it really fold flat, you could skip this strip down here so that it's loose, and then it would fold flat if that's going to be an issue. And then fold these tabs towards you on insert number 1 with some glue on them. And as usual, the tabs are flush with the top and the front of the box, nice right angles. And as usual, before it dries, we want to fold it flat. So for this final insert here, again, as usual, we want the back of those tabs flush with the back of the box and flush with the top of the box. Folds flat and we're all set.
Here's how to make the envelope for your card. First, rotate your shape 45 degrees counterclockwise. Fold the sides in. Then, fold the bottom up and attach it to the side flaps. Insert your card, then fold the top flap down and secure it. That's it, your envelope is ready.